So this is a Postman application, which I will use to simulate IP request from the external system. And for the beginning, I am sending a request for 500 units. Let's take a brief look through the text in request. As you can see, there are some parameters like organization ID. This is our legal entity code. The product ID I would like to make soft reserved for, and the list of dimensions. In our example, there was only 2 dimensions, site ID and warehouse ID, but you can make any dimensions hierarchy you want and use storage dimension and track dimensions as well. So I also change the quantity number for 500 and send the request. Okay, so this line indicates that everything is okay and we made a soft reserve. Now let's go to the supply chain management application where I've prepared the sales order and try to make soft reserve from this application. Go to accounts receivable all sales order. I will open my sales order, the last one. And we can see 2 lines. First line with 200 amount and the second line with 100 amount of the same product. So let's start to make soft reserve for the first line. So our line, click inventory and then click soft reserve. So now you can see that not soft reserved 200 and please click the button soft reserved directly. 1 second. And as we can see here in information line, sales line has been soft reserved successful. So we provide soft reserve from supply chain management application as well. Now let's make some experiments. First of all, let's try to provide a physical reserve for a second line without soft reserve. Choose the second line, click inventory, reservation. So please pay attention that available physical is still 730 and it's more than enough to make a physical reserve for 100. So I'll click reserve lot and as you may see, we got an error. So you cannot proceed without soft reservation record on current order line. This happened because in our configuration, we have a block option for the physical reserve without soft reservation previously. So let's try to make a soft reservation before physical one. Let's go back to sales order, click inventory, soft reserve. So as you may see, not soft reserved 100. So let's click reserve directly again. And we got an information, sales line has been soft reserved validation failed. Let's open the information tab and we can see the information message. There are 30 quantities available for reservation, which are not enough. So as we remember, we have physical available amount for 730 amounts of product. Then we provide a soft reserve from our IP request for 500. Then soft reserve from our first line in sales order for 200. That means we have only 30 quantity available for the soft reserve. So it's not enough to make 100 soft reservation from the second line from the sales order. Let's go to our IP requests software and try to make a soft reservation from there. I'll change request and change quantity for 100. So let's send the request again. And you can see that we got the same message as from supply chain management application, that there are only 30 quantities available for soft reservation, which are not enough because we set the quantity for 100. So, as you may see, inventory visibility with soft reservation control the amount online very quickly, and it helps us and defend us from overbooking. So now let's time to go to inventory visibility application exactly and make a brief look through it. So this is inventory visibility application. And as you can see, it's look not very user-friendly. We have more than 5,000 rows here. So let's make a little configuration of it. And for the beginning, let's add some filters. We will add 4 of them for organization ID. Also, we add filter for product ID. Another one for site. And the last one for warehouse. Mark them all, apply. And you can see that we have only 2 rows, which is much better, but still we have a lot of columns. So let's configure them too. We have the dimensions and measures here to configure it. Let's open the first one, default dimension. So as I told earlier, you can turn on any dimensions you want to, but for our example, we use only 2 of them. We use location ID and site ID. So I turn off other dimensions, and let's check the measures. So this is a message from different data sources, and we use only 2 data sources. We use inventory visibility data source. This is data source we made reserve with IP requests. And also we use finance and operation data source. So I will turn off other measures from other resources, and also I'm going to turn off some measures from F&O because we have a lot of them. Just to make our interface more clear, you can configure it whatever you want here. So now it's look clear, and let's analyze the results. So as you may see, we still have 730 physical available from finance and operation data source. So this is available physical amount in our ERP system. And the second line, we have 500 soft reserved from EV, means inventory visibility. So this amount is 500 we soft reserved from our IP requests, and 200 also soft reserved from finance and operations application. So as you may see, yeah, we have soft reserved, and we can see it in inventory visibility. And as we saw earlier, it controls the amount of available physical. So we cannot make soft reserve for more than 30 amount already. This is it from my side with the demonstration.